Welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you SolSqueezer, a multi-chain powerful bot to analyze the wallets. I'm gonna show you step by step how to use it. Okay, and before we start, if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. It will help the algorithm to show my videos to more and more people. Also, before we start, I have to notify you guys this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here, it's only for educational / entertainment purposes. Okay, do your own research. I found this tool. I thought it might be interesting to show you this one. Okay, and that's why I decided to create that video for you. I'll be leaving the link below so you can go and check it out yourself for SolSqueezer, right? Okay, so now what it is, okay, it's the best bot for finding profitable wallets on Solana, right? Okay, they already have established account on X since April 2024, over 6,000 followers there. They posting frequently. Okay, the last post was made half an hour ago. This is what a real insider wallet looks like. This wallet makes 338 SOL in less than 14 days. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Okay, so basically what they do, okay, they establish the whole bot to show you just to track the wallets which they are profitable. Okay, so if you know something about those, type of wallets, it's always helping you out to make your own calculations, your decision, so it's obviously you have to do your own research further, but like it's those type of tools can help. Okay, so yeah, they actually do some decent amount of posting here there. Okay, people actually actually are using this tool, right? So it's not like it's coming out of nowhere, right? So okay, let's go and jump into the tool itself. But before we start, I just want to let you know that I actually choose this particular wallet. It was just a random wallet. You can do any wallet you wish. You can go and check the on GMGN. You can go to I don't know, if you want, for example, you can go to copy trade and choose one of those wallets you are seeing here, and you can start tracking them, right? Okay, or just do some analysis on them. I choose this one, just a random, nothing specific. Okay, and here is the bot, right? So this is the bot. It's all SolSqueezer bot. I'll be leaving link below so you can go ahead and join it. Okay, once you join it, right, you just need to go and drop this wallet address here inside it. Okay, and it will start analyzing for you. And here you go, that's the full what they came up with. Okay, so let's go step by step what it is. Okay, so first and foremost, they showing you last 30 trades. Okay, what's happened in last 30 trades, right? They're successful or they're not successful. They were just like no profit, no loss, right? So I think that's important to know that you can see a particular trend. If is this wallet really what I want to start tracking or not, right? So then the next one will be like balance. They're gonna show you the exact balance of this one. Okay, equivalent is they're gonna show you the SOL amount and also equivalent in USDC, right? So currently this wallet has just over 9,000 USDC in there as a balance, right? Trade periods 18 days. Okay, last trade 1 hour ago. Okay, that's something which is obviously quite interesting to know also, because how for example, if this wallet hasn't been used for like days or weeks, you might thinking like, okay, I really want to go and follow this one. No, okay, but this one was used 1 hour ago, which makes sense, right? Medium trade duration is about 8 minutes, so they are definitely a sniper. Okay, this bot really does sniping a lot. Okay, medium trading duration 8 minutes, right? Average trades per day 11. Okay, so they are quite frequent. Okay, making 11 on average 11 trades per day. Okay, the next will be average trade by sales. Okay, 1.1 average trade buys, 1.2 sales, right? Average base size. Okay, so they are on average they buying just over 2.3 SOL, right? So this is the average. Medium first buy market cap 63k. So we know which they are targeting, what type of tokens they are targeting. Okay, medium. Okay, remember it's a medium. It's not like all of them. It's just the medium, right? So on average, they on the first buy, market cap 63k, right? So average gas fee, what they are paying is 0.01, all right, and average GTO tips 0.00. Okay, average blocks tip 0. Okay. Return on investment 21%, average trade return on investment 37%. It gives you guys an idea. Is this wallet doing something, which leads me to a conclusion that it's a positive return or negative return on investment? This one definitely have some sort of winning behind their his or her belt, because they're 37% on average trade on average trade return on investment. Okay, RPNL 117 Sol. Okay, so $28,210, right? Return on investment 37%, PNL 203.29 Sol, right? So winning rate 32%. Okay, 32%. It's a winning rate according to this bot. Let me go to GMGN. It says 41.54. Okay, those numbers are a bit different. Okay, that's why I'm saying, like, it's really up to yourself. You have to make your own decision, do your own additional research. Okay, but this bot is actually quite in-depth analysis you can expect from this one, as you probably already can see. So longest win streak 4, longest lose streak 17, win trade 69, right? And less than 2x 43, between 2 and 5x 18, over 5x 8. Let's go and compare that to GMGN. Okay, so what was that? Less than 2x. Okay, so 2x, between 0 and 2x 20. Okay, here 43. Now 2x to 5x, 2 to 5, here is a 4, here 18. Okay, and over 5x is 3, and here's 8. Okay, so those numbers are a little bit different, right? So look, as I said, like, you just have to make your own research further, right? But this one is it's giving you really like in-depth analysis. Okay, here GMGN, obviously I understand that this one is also good, but it's nice to have like a cross check, right? So you have a cross check here. Still, they are winning, right? Between 2 and 5, 18, over 5, 8. It's not like they are low, like there is 1 or 2, and here it shows 20 or 4. Like, okay, so they are still winning, right? So lost trades 444, total trades 213, right? So sold more than bought 0. Scam tokens 2. Okay, so they invest in 2 scam tokens only. It's only 1% of all the total tokens they invested in. Okay, so twice they were unlucky. Fast trades less than 1 minute 12. Okay, so market cap by distribution, less than 5,000, between 5 and 30k 47, 30k 100k 62, 100k 300k 44, over 300k 35. Okay, so total transactions just over 10,000, 1,000. Okay, and related wallets 3. Okay, so now what is very important here? Okay, we can go to the bot settings, and to choose that you just go into menu. Okay, and you're going to scroll down and click on settings, right? Once you click on it, there will be available few things, right? Available EVM chains. Okay, once you click on those, it's gonna present you with either you want to go with the Ethereum base, BSC, so this is what you want to you can choose from, right? Then you can pump fund trades and only pump fund trades. You can choose between those. Exclude sold bought trades. Okay, that's what you might want to say, like, because some of those transactions might be made from the developers' wallets. That's what one might decide to go ahead and just simply exclude it. Okay, exclude outstanding PNL trades. Exclude outstanding PNL trades basically means if you see, for example, that there is some sort of PNL which is like, I don't know, 80% of the total volume. Okay, you might want to exclude them. So this is something which might gives you, might skew your data. Okay. related wallets, single checks, win rate realized on the trades period, okay? And then you can choose between 7, 14, 30 days, and so on and so forth, okay? And then you can go to token analyzer and batch request, okay, and personal scan, right? So to copy trade, okay, we can see if some of those people already copy trading this one, okay? And if you do so, if you want to do so, okay, first you have to know that this SolSqueezer bot is for three searches, three wallets you can go and analyze for free daily, right? 3 a day. If you want, however, to join their tiers, okay, you got about 2 options: base tier, unlimited checks for Solana, Tron Base, Ethereum, and BSC, exclusive access to the token analyzer for finding the best trades on any tokens, access to our private Telegram group with auto checker, and also there's a pro version, okay, for super batches. Check up to 50k wallets from a text file, okay. If you got something like over 50,000 wallets, okay, you can definitely go and do some analyzations on this one. And also personal auto checker, receive wallets in DMs that match your individual criteria, okay. You've got criteria, they're gonna search your wallets for you and they're gonna show you, okay. There are options, they'll be paid, like for example, for 10 days the access you're gonna have for half a wall, half a salt for for 1 month, and so on and so forth, okay. So if you decided to go and actually want to purchase it, right, now all this which I explained to you guys here, you can easily just by clicking this icon here, and you can download it. You can go and actually you can save as, copy file, and so I'll just simply click on it, okay. And once you do it, you'll be presented with this Excel spreadsheet, right? So this spreadsheet is going to show you all the informations in very detail, okay. And those informations will be, if you want them to be, let me go back here, okay, between 7, 14, 30 days, okay, or the maximum days it's available, since the beginning of the day this wallet was in existence, right? So that's very handy, isn't it? So all those informations will be presented to you guys in this very nicely tidy organized spreadsheet, okay. And you can go deeply into it, and you can crunch your numbers here and make your own decisions, right? So I think that's quite handy to have this also available for you, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. I hope you like it, okay. If you did, please hit the like button. If you got any comments, just leave it down below. I'll be leaving the link to SolSqueezer bot as I mentioned before. And also, once again, this is not a financial advice. Crypto is very risky, so do your own research. If you can subscribe to my channel, once again, I'll be very thankful for that. Okay, thank you very much. Bye now.